Welcome to CompanyIQ, brought to you by MyLogic. Today, we'll be learning how to use the SEC Comment Letters analytics to improve your search with CompanyIQ. After you complete your search and click on the Go button, you'll be taken to the Results screen. The Analytics tab will be located on the left side of the menu once your search results appear. There are many analytics categories that you can explore. Analytics let you filter your results, and you can have multiple filters for multiple things at the same time. For example, let's start with the SEC button. You see the companies classified by their SEC industry. If you'd like to see the results for a specific industry, click on the square icon next to it, and then select Preview Results. You'll be able to see the comment letter information for your filtered companies. To remove applied filters, click Reset on top left of the Analytics window. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a chart with the top 5 industries and the number of documents. You can customize the chart to show top 5, 10, 15, or 20 industries. For Itemization, the Itemization tab will appear if you have included a keyword in your search. The tab allows you to view in which section of the document the keyword appears. On the left side of the screen, you'll see in which form group the keyword appears, the item name, and the number of documents. And on the right side of the screen, you'll see a tree chart. You can also check the examiner for the comment letters. The Examiner tab shows who wrote the comment letter. You can click on the name, apply the filter, and preview results. Here you can view the topics of the comment letters. Thank you for watching another of MyLogic's tutorial. To view more, please select one of the following videos.